Mubunge wa IGEMBE North Julius TAITUMU augite ari na Wirigiiro mwaka wa 2025 gweta na mbere makarika jampithukiro cha MAITHA ikathira na guntu ko gukagia ukiru na ukaria bwa kung'ana akiaria kagita karia agutumaga ntumiri yawe ya Christmas na mwaka mweru TJ Nkuruki na ugite ati AKARI bagisigo kiawe mwaka jwejite bakethirwa na kanya ka gukara NTHIGURU na kuga bure barengienda thirikari irwana na MAITHA jajara twikite MPANGA na kironda gya nkuje IGEMBE na kinya tigania Nicola Chabari na NTHIGURU
NTAIRA ba IGEMBE North thionku ina umithio na mwaka yu mweru yu na matunda na nkira kinya miru bonde baraku thio miruru wetu Merry Christmas and a beautiful 2025.
Ojune mubunge wa IGEMBE North Don Julius TAITUMU akiendelea anto obonde thigonko embega
antu ibashereke lakini itarere ya festivity bedo akimya tariki 6 chukuri karurwa manjukumu ya leo yakiendelea mucio kenda kure kwa huu muthomi mwika gache metho kabere akauria nyume tariki imweri wetana ara kwibunge bukendeka so ukewirwa na limit nontote uti boundaries
na Nkuruki akiweta ate nonto bakwithirwa ato banterine bethiritwe bakiwata ambaru thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza kwa njiri ya monka tuthiete iria bagakara NTHIGURU kwibangabangania na kumenya abura thirikari no igutethia antu baba
to support thirikari na thirikari itituonetie wendo bu. They have done a few things lakini ndienda kuatiri antu ba IGEMBE North January itutita kurari mishemanio ile emenene sana yomwalare na yonge mutuati nikenda turi evaluate ngwataniro yetu na thirikari for the people to say which way forward, because we believe if the government want to assist people of IGEMBE and Nyambene in general, what they should do is to get our cows where they are owned up in Samburu, and we believe that the government is protecting them, because we cannot see operation now and then. The answers we have been getting from the government is that the strategies, the arrangements are in top gear.
Akiweta MAITHA maithirito makithukira ntere echa IGEMBE North na kuitha ndethia na kinya gutigira antu baingi baguraritwe na bangi bakuta uturo ende ARIUGA itaka thirikari itae na mpwecha kubatetheria kuthiria thina ino
batwi thirikari yambe minye tuti mwanka na Isiolo na tuti mwanka na Samburu not Isiolo na tuteva tu na cultural background ibwanene na Samburu mwankari Samburu va terrorize antu betu na katukwenda kuwa batwi tureona ni thirikari over protection na intobira tukwenda from the government are just two. One, compensation ya antu bara baumisetwe na bara tutete kirindo iji we have been talking about operation throughout for the last 2 years. There is no gestation period without a date. So we have been expecting on a particular day an operation will be done, lost animals recovered, but we want to go an extra mile. Let the animals be recovered, let the people be compensated. For how long are we going to suffer?
Kuma IGEMBE North, Nicola Chabari.